9 signs of your future greatness.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast, I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I would not do this podcast if I did not believe deep down that I was speaking to people who had future greatness in them. Well, I don't even want to call it future greatness. It's greatness. And it's going to continue to be expressed larger, more vivid, brighter in the future. I believe I am speaking right now to incredible human beings with incredible power. The very fact that you take the time to take a few minutes out of your busy schedule every day to tune into this podcast, and I'm certain others as well, plus your Audible books and the books that you read, you are on a journey. You're on a sacred journey. And it's important to understand and operate your life from that position. Once you realize that this is a limited time journey, it's a sacred journey, that you're here to make a difference. You're here to empower others. You're here to share love, to give love. You're here to reap the rewards of the universe and acquire huge amounts of prosperity and abundance and joy. Now, some of you are authors, you're writers, you're artists, you're actors, you are creators, you are inventors. I call you high flyers. You are flying high like a big, beautiful eagle. And it's absolutely wonderful. And I know that one of the things that makes you unique over other people is that you don't allow roadblocks or discouragement to get in your way. You understand that you have a mission and a purpose to your life, and that tomorrow is promised to no one, so that your time to act is now. You are the one that you've been waiting for. You've read all the books, you've talked to all the gurus, you've watched all the videos, but when it really comes down to it, you are the one that you have been waiting for. I run into this all the time in my journey and in my mission when I'm coaching and working with people. They're wondering, when is Robert going to make their life change? And Robert's not here to make their life change. That's not my mission and purpose. My mission and purpose is to teach you how to make your life change and take it to the next level. And the level beyond that, and the level beyond that. Some of you have absolute stardom. And I don't mean necessarily acting stardom, but just superstardom within your DNA. Most of you do. Pretty much all of you do. And this is your time. So I'm going to share with you some of these signs, but I want to remind you that in your journey, we all go through a number of different phases. Some of them are easy and they're fun to go through. Others are more difficult and challenging. Rachel and I are here for you with miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. I firmly believe that as a high flyer, that you have a miracle or two waiting for you. So visit us at Law of Attraction Solutions. Claim your 30 minutes. of Miracle Mentoring and Alchemy Life Coaching. And thank you in advance for subscribing to us on YouTube, on Blog Talk Radio, on iTunes, Stitcher. And if you subscribe to us on YouTube, be sure and click the bell icon. Thank you. You know you were called to something great. You knew this as a child. You hung out with all your friends, but somehow you felt that you were a little bit different. You went to bed at night and you thought about things. You dreamt. You filled yourself with emotion. And maybe somewhere along the line, some of that got kind of stomped out of you a little bit, that dreamer in you. But we're here to put it back right now. You've always known that you had a mission and purpose in life, that you weren't just here on this sacred journey just for fun, that you had something to give, something to do, something to be, someplace to go. Now, I knew as a young boy, and my grandma used to tell me that I was here to help others. I was here to reach as many people, but I didn't discover that till later in life. I had forgotten about that. I had forgotten about those feelings and that vision and the things my grandma taught me. I forgot about it. I put it on hold, and I filled my life with things of lesser value. But now I'm fully fired up and moving. Am I moving, Rachel? I think I'm flying. I'm flying in a wonderful direction because I know my mission and purpose is to reach as many people with an empowering message, to change as many lives, actually to teach you how to change your life, to teach you the ancient wisdom secrets in modern language. And that's my mission and purpose. Now you have yours. You may be a great author. I don't know. A great actor. We can help you find that. But you've always known it. You've always known that. And that's one of the signs of your future greatness. Another sign is that you find yourself taking inspired action in your life. In other words, you just don't do things. When you do something, you're inspired to do it. If you cook dinner for some friends, it's not just, well, let me order out a pizza. It's, I'm going to cook something and I'm inspired to create something special. I happen to like wines, and I don't drink very much of it very often anymore, but I like to collect wines. And when I find a wine, I become absolutely, it inspires me to want to share it with someone special. But it's more than that. It's inspired action in your business. It's inspired action in your relationship. You don't have to wait for an anniversary to buy the one you love a gift. Because remember this, every day is a good day when you spend it with someone you love. Think about it. Every day. Because there's going to come a time, I hate to be the bearer of truth, but there's going to come a time when that person will no longer be in your life. Not in the physical form or physical way anyway. They'll always be in your life, but you won't have that physical interaction. So, inspired action in your relationships, inspired action with your friends, inspired action with your business and your career. Oh, you're just feeling so much desire to take so much action. And this is one of the signs that your future greatness is already upon you.
This is the #1 podcast on personal empowerment, success, and the law of attraction. You're listening to the Miracle Mentor of Light, Robert Zink.
Number 3, your heart is in it. You love what you are doing. Doesn't mean you love everything you're doing. I know as a writer, many of you love to write, but then you really hate editing. I mean, it's just like pulling teeth. It hurts. But you love the outcome the outcome, the dream, the mission, the purpose of what you are writing about so much that you put up with the pain of editing. Does that make sense? Your heart's in it. You're filled with passion. That's the key. Passion. If you were to go to a tattoo parlor today and only have one word tattooed on your body, that word would be passion. Because your heart is in your mission and purpose, you realize your time is sacred. You, number 4, you refuse to act small. You refuse to listen to everyone else. Everyone has an opinion. Now, if I listened to someone else, this podcast would be completely different. Every day I get criticism. Speak faster, speak slower, talk higher, talk more about this, get directly to the point, do this. I don't listen. I listen to my heart. I listen to my mission and purpose. I know who I'm speaking to. And if I'm speaking too fast or too slow, and it irritates you, I'm probably not speaking to you. When you give up your uniqueness, you've given up your life force. Did you just hear what I said? Did I say that? Dylan, did you hear that? Dylan is our manifestation manager here at Law of Attraction Solutions. When you give up your uniqueness, you give up your life force. You settle for falling into place. And there's a lot of copycats in the world. And very few of them ever make it big. But you're different. You are on a journey of making it big with your life. You are constantly taking steps to improve your vitality. You eat clean. You eat a plant-based diet with some fresh fish. And if you do eat meat, it's free range, grass-fed. You exercise. You use crystals. You are constantly clearing and cleaning and bringing new crystals into the home as if they're part of your family, because they're amplifying a higher vibration in your home, and you're using them on a regular basis. You have plants in your home because, again, they raise your vibration. You have running water in your home or nearby because, again, it raises vibration and vitality and energy. And that's what gives you the edge in the world. You love fresh, natural aromatherapy. And again, that gives you an edge. It helps you raise up a notch or two. Number 6, you're in the habit of saying yes. You're always looking for a reason to say yes. It doesn't mean you don't say no. Some things don't fit with your mission and purpose. Some things don't fit with your goals. Some things are a waste of your time, and in those cases you say no. But you love opportunities, because opportunities are new doorways, ways to expand your purpose and mission and sacred journey. Oh, it's nice. It's nice when you say yes. Yes, I can do that. Yes, I will do that. Yes, it's already done. It feels good. And that ties in with the next one. You emotionalize the world, not the way it is. You're not walking around angry and all tense and tied up because of the world of the way it is. You emotionalize your world the way you desire it to be, as if it's already present, as if it's already manifested. When we had absolutely no listeners to this podcast back in 2009, February. We're coming up on an anniversary here. Back in February 2009, and sometimes they were done on a hand phone. They sounded terrible. And we had no listeners. But we performed, we put as much effort as if we were speaking to 1 million people, or 2 million, or 3 million. Because we acted as if, and we continue to act as if. You're not a wannabe actor. you're a successful actor. You're not a wannabe author. You're a successful writer. You're not a wannabe artist. You're a successful artist. Now, hey, if money is the only criteria of your success, then you might have trouble with that. But money is not a criteria of your success. If it was, Vincent van Gogh would be considered a big failure. Now, if you choose to make money and the vibration of money one of the criteria of your success, then you can incorporate that. But it still doesn't mean you're not successful. Live as if you've already achieved it and feel it, emotionalize it, get excited about it. Well, number 8, opportunities are on the increase for you because of all the things you're doing and the way you are living, the way you are thinking. Opportunities are just opening for you day and night. People are asking you here, what about this? Here's an opportunity for you. It just is wonderful. It's exciting. You are flying high like a big, beautiful eagle. Finally, and this is a big sign, I can tell how well or how high a person is going to fly with their dreams and their goals by the friends who support them. Look at, your friends are going to come and go in life. But when you do have friends, find friends that support your dreams. They're not critical. They may think, hey, it's impossible, but I'm going to support you because I know somewhere along the line someone is about to do the impossible, and it probably will be you. But ultimately, you've chosen your best friend, your very best friend, and that's you. You listen to yourself, and you realize that with all the chatter in the world, all the chatter going on, all the opinions flying this way and that way, you are the one that you've been waiting for. I want to congratulate you in advance for your success. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing what you have done and continue to do. And I want to thank you in advance for subscribing to us on YouTube and clicking the bell icon. We'll include you in our monthly drawing. Hey, you have a great day now because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.